Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union and Association rengkat baka All India Trade Union Congress Meghalaya bat Meghalaya State Union mentah kesingi kala pendam jore ke sorkar halor ka jingkiu dor palat jengki marba mardi ka petrol diesel bat ka gas. Kani kekenhuan kala pelong yang kejung lumlang jongka hasilong ban persya ya kejung kiudor palat put jongki marba mardi ka petrol ka umpenyang bat ka gas ka bala ketak siapa palat ya kipat ba. Kani kekenhuan kalau ongru baka jingkiu jong kini kimar kalau wanra ya jingkiu dor kimar ba mardi bat khamtam nilai kinong leit nongwan namar ba ka bai kali kala kiu shaba palat. Kani kekenhuan kalau ongru baka jing sngo thomula baka jing penkiu ya khachana Central Excise Duty kalong ban pendap ya jing lot jing sep a jing sumar ya uknyang covid khat khandai hendrei hadu menta kipat ba kitang hapsiu lada kilai ban shim tika.
The price rise and a hike in future fuel price on day-to-day basis organized by Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union and All India Trade Union Congress held on 3rd November 2021 at Shillong. The Meghalaya Joint Council of Trade Union and Association and All India Trade Union Congress Meghalaya State Unit strongly condemned the daily hikes in the price of petrol and diesel that are imposing unprecedented miseries on the people. This has accompanied by a monstrous hike in price of cooking gas. This has triggered an overall inflationary spiral in the economy. Rising transportation costs are leading to not only in the rise of price of all essential items, including food, vegetables, milk, and other articles of daily consumption, but also heavy toll on the pockets of daily commuters. Arguments are being forwarded that the hike of central excise duties on petroleum products is financing the free vaccination and various social sectors scheme being implemented by the union government. This is ridiculous as well as preposterous. If people are paying exorbitant price, then vaccination are not free. That is the most important. We are taking that vaccination is free. It is not free vaccination. People are paying for it themselves. Almost every day the price of petroleum products are raised. This has led to a cascading effect on the economy. Prices of essential items has increased due to these policies. The party has given a call to hold protest in the country against price rise, and all units across the country will hold demonstration. A comparative study of trend in hike in price of fuel and edible oil ever only last 2 months shows a grim picture, hence the gravity of the situation. On 1/11, that is the 1st November 2021, petrol price is 104 rupees 91. On 1st of October, it was 97 rupees. On 31st October, it was 104 rupees per 12. Diesel price in Shillong on 1st November, it is 97.44. On 1st of October, it was 89 rupees per 3. And 31st October, it was 97 rupees 76 paisa per liter.
Demonstration mo kung PUE hakate ka bagitho bangi persya halor ka ni jingkiu ya kador jo ki marpam halor ka petrol ka gas bat pun ki jingdam kam ki baman kasngi mo ki kiu dor na hapor sya kapor te menta kasngi pelong ka ni demonstration ngim la ban pelong ka bahe na mar pak sarkar ka kam ai ka jingpit yang bagi pelong bahe ka cha yang itu man pelong hapo ini ye te ni pawan tang ya ki leaders jong ki different unions di badan hapo ka AIGC ni pawan ban attend ya kani ka join protest demonstration. Te ka main objective kabang ni thmu ya kani kabang demonstrate kalau mangin pin smong siya ka sarkar halor ka jingkiu dor pelat jong ki marbang. Bag ngi sutho bag jingkiu dor jong ki marbang ka debit na ka petrol. Bag kiu dor ka petrol te long kamarbang automatically kan kiu dor. Namar bagi wat ki nong de hayo mo ki ong bag jingkiu dor ki marbang ka de na ka petrol. Te kapangingi kwa ban kentu ya ka sarkar mo ban karpat ba kinene ka bala ban pen hiar ya ka dor jong petrol khanang ba ki dor jong marbang kin hiar bat kanung kta pat ya gini kinong belah namar kan ni ka kta kham tam kinong belah ki batre kita ki daily wages mo lani kum ki ba yo kumangi ki angganwadi workers yo kum ka honorarium ke balong tang kendiat te ka honorarium kene ke ju ka dor jong kamar ka bangi ba man kasngi ka kiu dor na ka man la kasngi ndai tang shisin tang shipor bu ndai ka kiu man kasngi daily ka kiu ki marbang te ka jingyo ka jongi ka ne kumju ba ka jingki jo ka marbang kam ya hap shu ba kata ka jingim ka jongi ngimla shu ban adjust ngimla shu ban pendap ya ka yeng kasem te ka ni ka kata hadu kata ya ka jingim jong ki baret ki baryato ki ba kamai ki ba biang ka fix salary mo kung ki government servant tong inchuang na kumta ki yo ada ka fix salary to ki labna adjust re ya ki daily wages kan kata hadu kata benta kini ginong belas ni da ka baka kan penhiar ya ka dor jong ka petrol but kumjuru ya ka dor jong ka gas mo kumbangi pila you email bakalaki menta hadu shi hajar khadar spa something mo ngaklam patte ya ka fix rate tambah kata hi ka laki ka dor jong ka gas te menta kipun hi ki ba duk besuk mo ban siap gas ka hoi ka sarkar ki ong ka IA ka by connection handai ban thir bali tu ka gas man ka banai na igin yo kata ka khadar spa te menta bun nga tharai na kibriu ken ha ban num shet sho ta ka gas ken ha panwan biang sha ka tu ka jinglong ka bare bangin shet biang ka tin la ne da urunga namar ka khamlut ka jing ya ka jing ka ba jing pulut ha ka bangin thiet ya ki ne ki jing shet jungi mo te da ka gas hi te kala kata hadu kata ma ka jing kiu kala kiu kensan ngim te balik ka sarkar kam nyau shu iki betuk besok kam perkhat shu te ngi kerpat ya ka sarkar mo bakal pe kalau kini ki jing ki bangi ngi face mental apa nakalian ka jongi hi ha ni yai keren nakapor baka sarkar kan pedam ya ngi ki betuk bakan pen kiu ya ki jing siu ngre kam judong kum kata ka jing singap ya ki jing kerpat ki jongi ringi pat begini ki marban ki shiki mangas ngi ka kata ki jing ngi jongi te nginget baka sarkar hi kan perkhandam yi ki bare ki parya ki betuk ki besong kan perkhan kanamba kajing em jungi mo nginum em so sat kata kajing em ngila ban em kum kita ki nong kum ki human beings mo kum ki brio pangila ban em ban adjust ban la ban em kata kajing em ka bang ngin em kerdut kordet mo ngila ban em kajing em ka ba biang ka bangin dap ta kajing slide kum ma prima baka government hi ka clarify baka shim kata ka lowest tax Henry honyi su thu baka jing pen ki ka ni petrol ka na do central government tamba long ka ai ka bangi ngi khi hang ne ngim la ban om mangin le direct ya ka central government ni ha banya through ka state te da bangia through ka state te ya ka ni ka memorandum ka bangi le na government menta ko chief secretary te ling ba jung in ya kran sa ka central government halor ka ne ka jing ki do te na mangi ban om mangin le direct sa ka central ngim la ka state ni la ra ya ka ni ong bangin sa shong perkhat bian da ka sarkar kam snap tini sa shong perkhat pat kinu ki steps ki bangin chim pat halor kata gi ki ken namar bangi su tho ba ka bible la hi ka ne kum ju kum mangi ong pi bangi ki anganwadi workers honorarium ka ne mental ada ki post name te ke dekat baki comment ki daily needs jongi ki kiu man lakasni te halor hi kani ka nomrem na kata ngi saya pelong kani ke demonstration beta kasni ban korpat yang sarkar bakan pedlem halor kani baknang baki priu ki la ban em kom kita ki priu kom ki human beings ngo pi om bakin safa re bakin la ban adjust ke jing im juki long bakan biang ken bakin dap ta ki jiksa bakin la ro ban pendap ya sam de tang sarkar hi ke ban ya ban solve lem ya kani problem re nangi hingim la shu ban ya